Ang ganda ng panahon. Kapit tayo dito. Kaya muna natin ating bike. Ang ganda. Kulay puti. White House. Nakasimbolo ng bilog na ito. Pwede pa lang pumasok. Nung nagdaang Independent Day last year, nandito kami. Nag-vlog dito si Mrs. Pasok siya sa loob. Ito pala sarado. Wala mo pwedeng dumaan sa tagiliran ng gate. Proclaimed the independent here on June 12, 1898. Ito puntang Cavite City.
Nandito na ako sa ano?
Siguro yan ang himlayan ni Juan Aguinaldo. Nakasakay sa kabayo.
Kaibigan ko sa Laguna. Ayan. Kaibigan ko, Sergio, nakilala ko. Sinasama nila sa kanila. Sa Laguna. Ako, bago na, kung di mo wala ng ano, basta lalaki makakausap ko.
First President of the Republic of the Philippines, 1899 to 1901, and the leader of the Filipino people in the revolution against Spanish rule, 1896 to 1898, in the Filipino-American War, 1899 to 1900. Born March 22, 1869, Kawit Cavite became the municipal captain of Kawit, inducted into the Masonry and initiated in the Katipunan under his chosen name Magdalo, 1981, led by the capture of Kawit, Imus, Bacoor, and other towns in Cavite during the outbreak of the Philippine Revolution in 1896. His military victory provide prestige which led to the election in absentia as a president of the first revolutionary government during the Tejeros Convention on March 22, 1897. Went to self-exile in Hong Kong according with the facts of Biak Nabato, and forged to alliance with the United States of America overthrew Spanish rule in the Philippines, returned from the Hong Kong on May 19, 1898, and resumed to the struggle from freedom. Proclaimed the Philippines independent on June 12, 1819 at Kawit. On this occasion of the Philippine national flag made in Hong Kong by Doña Marcela de Agoncillo was officially unfurled at the March National. He became the first national anthem that was played publicity for the first time convention the Revolutionary Congress in Malolos, Bulacan. September 15, 1890, led the Filipino forces during the Filipino-American War, captured in Palanan, Isabela on March 23, 1901. Died at the veteran at the Memorial Hospital, Quezon City on February 6, 1964. Ba? Kakong ng birthday ko pala. Namatay pala siya. Ako naman, February 6, 1966. Ay, ibig sabihin pala, 50 years lang. Patay si... Ito nga, Rinaldo. Okay. Ito Ito ang kanyang National Historic Institute.
Wala pa ang gano'ng tao. Eh, siguro eh. Kasi nagbagyo eh. Ay dito siguro mapaw yung ano. Oo, mapaw dito. Nagbabari. Ang nilulubog ay ang Bacoor.
Tama.
Awin. Tatanong natin sa guwardia. Yan.
Pero pagka malakas ang ulan, maapaw dito eh.
Ah,
Sa malaking kanto eh, malaking ilog. Kaya guys, hanggang dito muna. Update ko lang kayo. Hanggang magandang araw ng Sunday.